Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 2.02% compared to yesterday's value of 29,260.1. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 1.31% compared to yesterday's value of 1835.19. The price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 1.28% compared to yesterday's value of 242.3.
Latest news.
Elon Musk's lawyer seeks dismissal of Dogecoin insider trading lawsuit. Alex Shapiro, lawyer for Elon Musk, has filed a motion to dismiss a collective lawsuit against the Musk's company, Tesla, and Dogecoin, Doge, arguing that posting supportive comments or interesting images on Twitter is not illegal. The lawsuit was initially filed in June 2018, accusing Musk of market manipulation and insider trading in Dogecoin and demanding $250 billion in compensation. Saddle Finance plans to cease operations and distribute funds to investors. Saddle Finance, a decentralized trading platform, is planning to cease operations. The founder, Sunil Srivatsa, has proposed liquidating the treasury into ARB tokens and airdropping the proceeds to its SDL and VSDL token holders. The platform previously suffered a hacker attack in April, which resulted in a loss of over $1 million for the investors. The Sandbox relaunches land cross-chain service. The Sandbox has announced the relaunch of its land cross-chain service, which was previously disabled on July 31st. The service is now available and the cross-chain smart contract has passed the Open Zeppelin audit, allowing land tokens minted on both Ethereum and Polygon to be transferred across chains. Federal Reserve to strengthen oversight of banks' digital asset activities. The Federal Reserve is reportedly developing a plan to enhance its oversight of banks involved in digital assets and blockchain technology activities. Banks will need approval from the Fed before issuing, holding, or trading stablecoins, and must demonstrate that they have appropriate safeguards in place to mitigate risks, including liquidity, cybersecurity, and illicit finance risks. Banks should also notify the Fed before engaging in certain stablecoin activities and wait to receive a written notice of no supervisory objection before proceeding. Base announces collaboration with Web3 project Backdrop to launch Ecosystem Acceleration Program. Base and Web3 project Backdrop will launch a program to support 100 developers in building open-source projects on the platform. The program will run from August 21st ST to September ITH, and developers can receive over $4 million in rewards. U.S. Department of Justice plans to charge Sam Bankman-Fried with illegal campaign donations. U.S. Prosecutor Lewis Kaplan has stated that the U.S. Department of Justice will still charge Sam Bankman-Fried with illegal campaign donations during his October trial. The prosecutor previously said that they could not bring the charge against Bankman-Fried due to treaty obligations with the Bahamas. The prosecutor plans to submit an alternative indictment with 7 charges against Bankman-Fried, including wire fraud related to using client deposits for campaign donations. Binance, U.S. supports upcoming BSC Plato Hardfork on August 9, 2013. Binance, U.S. supports upcoming BSC Plato Hardfork. Deposits and withdrawals will be temporarily suspended during the hardfork, but trading will not be affected. The hardfork aims to improve the performance and efficiency of the BSC chain. Federal Reserve to expand oversight of crypto-related activities at banks. The Federal Reserve has announced plans to augment its supervision of U.S.-regulated banks' cryptocurrency activities under the newly introduced Novel Activities Supervision Program. The program aims to oversee cryptocurrencies, other emerging asset classes, and applications of distributed ledger technology, DLT, with potential for a substantial impact on the financial system. The program will enhance supervision over activities such as crypto asset custody, crypto-collateralized lending, facilitating crypto asset trading, and engaging in stablecoin dollar token issuance or distribution. The program will scrutinize technology-driven partnerships with non-banks that deliver financial services to customers. The Federal Reserve seeks to ensure that state member banks enact controls for conducting activities in a safe and sound manner by focusing on projects using DLT and traditional banking entities involved in specific crypto activities. The program will integrate under current supervisory processes, with experts working alongside existing supervisory teams. The level and intensity of supervision varying depending on each banking organization's engagement in novel activities. All banks supervised by the central bank will fall under the program's jurisdiction, suggesting that regional financial operators will be included. CertiK reports potential security compromise of LearnWeb3 Dell Twitter accounts. CertiK issues warning about security compromise of LearnWeb3 Dell and Hazareth's Twitter accounts. Users are advised not to interact with LearnWeb3 website. Marathon Digital misses Q2 earnings and revenue estimates. Marathon Digital, a Bitcoin miner, reported lower than expected earnings in Q2. The company posted an adjusted loss per share of 13 cents on revenues of 81.8 million, compared to FactSet analyst estimates of a 6 cents loss per share on revenues of 83.4 million. Despite the disappointment, the company has demonstrated growth in its hash rate and efficiency. Marathon Digital increased its computing power on the Bitcoin network to 17.7 exahash per second (EHS) in June. The company's shares remained flat at $15.73 in after-hours trading, but have experienced an overall increase of almost 360% this year, driven by the surging price of Bitcoin. Researchers develop AgentBench to measure LLMs' real-world capabilities. Researchers at Tsinghua University, The Ohio State University, and the University of California at Berkeley have developed an innovative method called AgentBench to evaluate the capabilities of large language models, LLMs, in acting as real-world agents. LLMs have become popular for tasks such as coding, cryptocurrency trading, and text generation, but traditional benchmarks have been limited. The team's new method measures LLMs' abilities in a variety of challenging real-world environments, such as working in a SQL database, operating systems, and online shopping. Top-tier models like GPT-4 outperformed open-source models significantly, indicating their potential for continuous learning agents. Binance Futures Grid Bot features estimated liquidation prices. Binance has introduced a new feature for their Futures Grid Bot users, allowing them to view estimated liquidation prices. This feature is accessible via the order form and provides users with enhanced trading transparency and risk monitoring. The Futures Grid Bot simplifies trading management by combining trade automation with up-to-date liquidation information, available on both the Binance web and app platforms. PayPal envisions stablecoin revenue growth from payment flows. PayPal is expected to generate increased revenue through its impending stablecoin launch, as the company seeks regulatory approval for its digital currency offering. PayPal highlights the revenue opportunities tied to payment processing, including merchant services and peer-to-peer transactions. The company believes that the adoption of stablecoins will complement existing payment methods and provide customers with a seamless, more efficient, and secure shopping experience.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.